Similar video, alkylation of an enamine, or an enol or an enolate, resulting from deprotonation of an aldehyde or a ketone. This is just trying a wide angle view. And if our R prime is an H, of course, we have an aldehyde. If it's a carbon, then we have a ketone. And highlighting the alpha hydrogen from either an aldehyde or a ketone in either acid or base, we can form the corresponding enol or enolate. So pictured here would be the enolate. And if we wanted to, we could show the enol. And if we wanted to draw resonance contributors to an enolate, which have the negative charge located on carbon, we could do that. And again, always good to practice your mechanisms to get from that form to that form. We would have that electronic movement and that one at the same time. And one of the whole goals of this enolate chemistry is called alkylation. So if we were to generate an enolate with a base like hydroxide, we would not get a full conversion of our aldehyde or ketone to our enolate. The equilibrium lies far, far, far to the left, such that it would be 99.9% aldehyde and only a very small amount of enolate. If, however, we wanted to fully form the enolate, we could use our old friend LDA, acronym for lithium diisopropyl amide. Very important as it's a very strong yet hindered base, so not very nucleophilic, but is very basic. And again, to form LDA, you would take diisopropyl amine with N-butyl lithium. And recall, we could show N-butyl lithium as a ionic or a covalent molecule. Either way, what that's going to give us is LDA, which again is diisopropyl amide, and amide having a negative charge on the nitrogen. And the byproduct would be butane, resulting from this carbon grabbing a proton off the amine nitrogen. And the counter ion of LDA is lithium, hence the name LDA. So if we were to take our aldehyde or ketone and treat it with LDA, now we would get basically a full conversion of the aldehyde or ketone to the enolate. And of course, mechanistically, no, you would just use the LDA, lone pair on nitrogen, to grab the alpha H, again forming the enolate, and if you like, you can show the counter ion as lithium. I'm going to erase the board, and then we're going to use that same enolate to do an alkylation with any substrates such as a halogen, mesylate, tosylate,